Section 9. The future unfolds. What's next? The future of technology is a mystery waiting to be unraveled. What wonders will we create? What challenges will we face? Nanotechnology, biotechnology, quantum computing, the possibilities seem endless. Will we colonize other planets? Will we conquer diseases? Will we create artificial life? The answers lie ahead, shaped by the choices we make today. One thing is certain, the journey of technological evolution is far from over. It's a journey filled with both promise and peril, excitement and uncertainty.